Welcome to Smart Beauty Buyer. Check out the top 5 laser hair removal devices for at-home use in 2026, all available on Amazon. Find all the product links in the description and pinned comment to get yours easily. Meet the IPL Laser Hair Removal Device, your at-home laser solution for smooth, hair-free skin. IPL laser technology delivers gentle light pulses that target hair follicles and help reduce hair growth with regular use. The ice cooling system keeps your skin comfortable and cool every time. Adjustable intensity levels let you treat any area: face, underarms, legs, and bikini. Ergonomic design for easy, precise handling. Suitable for women and men, it's the simple, convenient way to maintain smooth skin at home. Transform your routine. Smooth, confident, effortless.
This is the U-Like Air 10 IPL hair removal device, a laser hair removal system designed for use at home. It uses advanced IPL laser technology with dual light pulses to cover a wider area and help reduce hair growth over time. The integrated ice cooling system helps keep skin cool and comfortable during treatment. You can choose from multiple treatment modes, including fast and precision settings to suit different body areas. Built-in skin sensor technology detects proper contact before activating, adding a layer of safety. Ergonomic and easy to handle, it can be used on legs, underarms, bikini line, and more. A practical choice for people looking to incorporate laser hair removal into their personal care routine at home. This is the IPL Laser Hair Removal Device by Inza, a home hair removal system built with advanced pulse light technology. It delivers up to 999,999 light flashes, designed to provide long-term use without the need for replacements. Featuring 9 adjustable energy levels and 2 flash modes, it adapts to different body areas and individual preferences. The ice cooling care function helps keep the skin cool and comfortable during treatment, reducing heat and redness. It's suitable for use on various zones like underarms, legs, arms, back, and bikini line. Designed for at-home hair removal, it offers a customizable experience with automatic and manual treatment options. A versatile choice for those incorporating IPL hair removal into their beauty routine. Get smooth, more refined skin. Introducing the U-Like Air 3 IPL hair removal device, your personal at-home solution for smooth, hair-free skin. It uses intense pulsed light technology to target hair follicles, helping minimize regrowth over time. The ice cooling system ensures every treatment feels comfortable and gentle on the skin. Choose between fast full body mode or precision mode for delicate areas like the face, underarms, and bikini line. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it fits comfortably in your hand for effortless control. Perfect for regular use, it lets you maintain a polished look without leaving home. Experience confidence and smoothness in every session. The at-home IPL hair removal device, a plug-in hair reduction system designed for use on multiple body areas. It uses intense pulsed light technology to send controlled light flashes that work on hair follicles over time. With 5 power levels and dual treatment modes, auto and manual, you can tailor your session to different zones like arms, legs, underarms, and the bikini area. Built with an ergonomic handle, it's comfortable to hold and simple to operate for consistent use. Designed for both women and men, this device delivers a personalized approach to hair reduction from the comfort of home. Explore a grooming routine that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video.